I'm hearing from two sources familiar with the matter that Airbnb is considering raising money in the current environment after fielding what both sources call significant interest from a number of different investors across the private equity, venture capital, sovereign wealth fund spaces. Now, this comes, of course, as the travel industry takes a major hit from the coronavirus outbreak, and Airbnb itself has had to expand its refund and cancellation policies. Now, one source told me that Airbnb is in listen mode, not because it needs the money, but because it sees this as an opportunity. Airbnb, remember, has $3 billion in cash on its balance sheet and also access to $1 billion in a line of credit. Now, I'm told the valuation is still being discussed. The company was last valued after a private raise at $31 billion. But given the destruction in travel multiples, it could be lower than that last private market valuation. I also spoke to an angel investor, Ron Conway, who is an early Airbnb investor, and he said that he has been referring many calls to the company, what he calls a lot of very astute and large investors. He says that they're telling him, I hope Airbnb is raising right now because I want a seat at the table if they are. And guys, we've seen this in the past during 08 and 09, the financial crisis. We saw Yuri Milner get into Facebook at a much lower multiple. So for some of the high quality private market companies, they are seeing some interest. I heard that it's not just Airbnb, but there are about a dozen or so that investors are getting interested in, even given the current market climate.